In this video, I'm going to explain what YouTube TV VOD, Video on Demand, is and how it enhances your streaming experience by giving you access to a library of shows and movies you can watch anytime. Let's get started. YouTube TV's VOD feature allows you to watch content that isn't live, such as full episodes of your favorite shows, movies, or specials at your convenience. This is different from live TV, where programming airs at specific times. With VOD, you can browse and stream on-demand content directly through the YouTube TV app or website. The VOD library includes a mix of current season episodes, classic shows, and select movies from popular networks like ABC, NBC, CBS, and more. For example, if you missed a recent episode of a show, you can often find it in the library section under On Demand, or within the specific channel's page. Some networks also offer entire seasons or past episodes for binge watching. One of the biggest advantages of YouTube TV's VOD is its integration with cloud DVR. If a show isn't available on demand, you can record it using the DVR feature and watch it later. Additionally, VOD content doesn't count against your DVR storage limit, making it a convenient option for catching up on programming. Keep in mind that not all shows or episodes are available on demand due to licensing restrictions. However, YouTube TV continually updates its VOD library to provide a wide variety of options. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on maximizing your streaming experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you now understand how YouTube TV VOD works. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.